So one of my friend on my YouTube channel commented and said like the beat that I just uploaded recently is fire, but it feel like the beat is on mono, right? So right now I want to find out. Actually, I watched some videos and then I saw that there's a difference between mono and stereo. Like mono is when the instrumental is playing in one channel, but stereo is when it's playing I think two channels, and like I think the main difference sorry, the main difference will be penning the beat, right? So I'm going to take that beat that I just made. I saved the mp3, and then I want to check this. I want to check the beat. Like already I know that the beat is mono. Okay, so I want to make two channels, right? I want to clone this channel, and then I'm going to pen this channel on the left and pen this channel on the right. Okay, because let me make example. If I solo this and I go to the master channel, okay, let me remove this audio one. If I solo this and remember I penned this the first channel on left. So let me go to the master channel. I want to analyze the frequency. Not the not the channel master. Let me just choose the spreader, because I want to see this first channel playing on the left side and the second channel will be playing on the right side. Okay, you can see the right side. So let me start with this one and check. So you can see this one is playing on the left side. Okay, so um, now let me play again. Let me check this the second one. What? There is a big difference, man. Like the sound is not the same actually. Let me play all of them together and check what is going on and everything. Maybe if I can clone the third one and play it in the middle and see what's happening here.